Hey there traders, welcome back and welcome to today's turbo trading session. If you're looking for fast and high reward opportunity, it will be the strategy for you, for beginners or for people who love dynamic fast trading. Today I will show you how to trade in 5-second or pocket auction and make money. All right, let's get started. So today we will trade with M1 1-minute candles, and don't forget to set in settings to put enable timer. This is important, we will need it. So also I will change the time of the trades for 5 seconds, guys. 5 seconds, can you imagine? And yeah, and basically I will add RSI with my settings for 8 period. So yeah, that's it. Now will be trade. Let's find the pair with the good candle first of this strategy. That this is supposed to be a strong candle, full body strong candle. That's pairs what we're looking for now, and after this I will show you more. Okay, I'll just pick RSI to see the oversold and our both zones to, you know, to avoid them, because we don't need this kind of trades. Now we need to see a strong candle, full body. And on the next candle, we open a trade in the same direction, but we wait for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and open a trade in same direction. Just check how it's work. Let me show you. See? Boom. First profit. Good one. Okay. Again, let's wait for this candle to be full-bodied and strong. So we need a strong candle as confirmation. See, like here, for example. You see, the candle not too strong. It's not too good to start the strategy here. But let's wait. Looks solid. It looks solid. Looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open. A sell trade. Same direction. After 5 seconds in new candle. You see? It's profit. Good. That's how the strategy works. Hope you got it. So now let's find some more trades where we can apply this, where we avoid our bought or oversold zones. This is my first rule. And then we could, and yeah, okay, that's good one. Let's try the orange zone, orange candle. Quite strong, full body candle, and we see, and open after 5 seconds. You see, yeah, another profit, guys. We're going well. The strategy is beautiful. This simple but beautiful and effective, which is more important. Okay, very interesting strategy. Even beginners who don't have a lot of time for trading can use it, and also the people who just love fast turbo trading, like scalping, but hyper scalping, taking second code. Okay, we're waiting here, watching the candle. No, that this one is more opportunity for us. Let's check another one. Oof, this beautiful one. Look, look. 3, 2, 1, go. 1,200 deal in profit. Haha. That's a good one. Let's see. Maybe we can make here another profit because this candle also strong. But let me show you another pairs. Maybe they are more clear situation. This one is good, really. We can try. Everything is working so far. Well, let's double check the strategy on this pair. If this candle will be good. Full body, strong candle. That's first rule. After this 5 seconds, same direction, profit. Okay. I don't like this one. I will check for something better. We need a strong candle, really strong candles. Strong live muscles, yo. Okay, like this one, for example. But let's wait, patient. Patient make you profit. Believe me. We don't want oversold zone, overbought zone. I saw this strategy from another bloggers, but they don't use RSI. Me, it's highly important to see these zones. I don't like traps, guys. I don't like traps, and I don't want to recommend you anything. I just show you how I trade this strategy, but your choice is always your choice. Okay, see, want to open here the trade for sell. After 5 seconds, I open. Yeah, you see, it's trading. We don't have any perfect strategy, but let's analyze this candle. If it will be green and strong, I will open buy position after 5 seconds of this candle. Let's just see if this candle is strong enough. What's good about this strategy? Because for 5 minutes you can open so much trades for 5 seconds. Just patiently wait for confirmation candles and don't play with overbought and oversold zones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open buy position for 3,000. Boom. You see, it's good one. It's good strategy. What we can use, you can try it on demo account, for example, or on small amount trades. It's also good. So that's it for today. Turbo trading session. I hope you enjoy and I hope you learned some new tricks. If you really want to increase your trading skills for a new level, subscribe this channel, go to my Telegram channel, don't forget to hit the like button and leave the comments and questions in comment section, okay? So trading can be fast, but it's really important to use a right strategy. Just respect your time and see you in the next video. Peace.